Okay, anytime that we complete the square and we have that number, a coefficient in front of the squared term, that's anything other than a 1, it always makes it a little bit more difficult. So I want to do another example of that just so we kind of get the picture of what's going on. So here we are going to complete the square, but we can't right now because we have that 3 in front of the x squared. We can't have a number in front of there. So in order to get rid of it, we're going to divide everything by 3 so that it will cancel out. So now we have x squared minus 4 thirds x minus 4 thirds equals 0. Now we're ready to begin completing the square. We will need to move our constant term over. So x squared minus 4 thirds x, leave a blank for us to complete the trinomial, equals positive 4 thirds. Now again, just because we're working with fractions, do not get ahead of yourself. Don't look at this and go, oh my, it's fractions, I don't know what to do. Stick with your procedure. Your procedure says that when we're completing the square, we take 1/2 of the middle term. So let's do it. 1/2 of negative 4 thirds is multiplication. So let's see, we can simplify that, and that becomes negative 2 thirds. Then we square it. So negative 2 thirds squared would be 4/9. This is what we're adding to both sides, our 4/9. Now by doing that, we've created the perfect square trinomial. So this will factor into the variable x and then the halved amount. Well, when we took half of this, we got negative 2 thirds. So you don't even have to worry about it, even though it's fractions. Equals. Now we do have to add 4 thirds plus 4/9, which means we need a common denominator, which would be 9. Let's see, 4 thirds would turn into 12/9, multiplying top and bottom by 3. So 12/9 plus 4/9 would be 16/9. Now we're going to apply our square root property. So x minus 2 thirds will equal plus or minus, the square root of 16 is 4, and the square root of 9 is 3. And then we do have to get x alone, so x will equal positive 2 thirds when we move it over, plus or minus 4 thirds. Now here again, this is two separate answers written compactly. And because these are just fractions, we should be able to combine them further. So we have 2 thirds plus 4 thirds and 2 thirds minus 4 thirds. Well, adding 2 thirds plus 4 thirds would be 6 thirds, which is 2. And then 2 thirds minus 4 thirds would be negative 2 thirds, and we can't reduce that down anymore, so there's our answer for that one. So we ended up with two answers again. Generally, whenever you solve quadratics, you will get two answers, or maybe a same answer repeated, but we should get two answers. And completing the square is very nice, even if we're working with fractions. You just can't get, upset and nervous about them. Just follow your procedure and work it out step by step.